Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing. Now recently I got some new lighting and I've been wanting to set it up for a little bit now. I've never been too happy with my lighting and that's what this video is about. So let's get straight into the video. So as we open this little package here, we have 2 umbrellas, 1 user manual to help you build it, and then we have 3 light holders to connect the lights, and we have 1 short tripod. And then we also have the 3 light bulbs I was talking about earlier. Then we also have 2 reflective umbrellas as well. Now, this is the second tall tripod, so you get some variety there. And that's about it. And just in case you guys are wondering, this costs around $50 to $60, which is good if you don't have an extra $150 like some other lighting companies charge. And just because it's cheaper does not mean that you lose product quality. In fact, it's mostly made of metal. And if you guys want to go check it out, it'll be linked in the description down below. Okay, so now let's just do a quick lighting comparison. Before, after. Now obviously, I will be making more adjustments to the lighting and make it look a little bit better here and there. But I think overall, it looks really good. And also, don't forget to let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think, and if you guys think if I should make any adjustments or not. And yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you guys ever have any cool product ideas you'd like me to check out here on this channel, then don't forget to drop it down in the comment section below. And like always, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below. And I'll see you next one. Peace out.